Hi, my name is Anthony Bannon. I'm a Cheyenne native. I've lived here for 34 years. I currently am the club manager at the airport golf course here in Cheyenne. I also own a DJ and entertainment business with my partner Chris Visti. We do all sorts of events, from fundraisers to weddings to anything you can think of that you need some music and entertainment for. I like Cheyenne because it's a great place to raise your kids. There are tons of things to do in Cheyenne. One particular thing I like about Cheyenne is it's kind of centrally located between the mountains. So if you're an outdoorsy person, there's Kurt Gowdy State Park within a half hour. Or you can go to the big city if you like the big city life and hit Denver, where there's tons of museums and professional sports teams and things like that. Cheyenne offers tons of clubs for all different ages. We have a great boys and girls club here, and tons of other nonprofit as well as other organizations that all ages can join and participate in.